All right, so now I'm going to talk about using AI to analyze and interpret data for an executive summary. And the biggest thing here is your goal is to convert spreadsheet data into an executive summary in minutes. All you're going to need is a paid ChatGPT account and your spreadsheet of data. Why is this important? Um, I would rather see you out there interpreting the data and sharing the data with the community or your board versus spending all of your time reading rows instead of delivering insight, mental fatigue from interpretation, rewriting summaries repeatedly. That is very high effort, low leverage for what you guys do on a day-to-day basis. Um, how AI is going to enhance your day with this particular prompt. Before AI, you would pull out your spreadsheet, you'd have to do a manual analysis, you'd put together your draft, then you would revise it, and I put a very conservative 60 minutes. If anyone wants to put in the chat times that they spend, the amount of time they spend, 60 minutes is very conservative to do a full analysis and report. After AI, all you need is your spreadsheet, your prompt, and it's going to put out your summary, and that's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. What that translates, more time for deals, less time decoding all the data. So I've got the prompt, and those of you that know that are elite cities, whenever you go into the portal, these prompts are there for you to cut and paste and make it easy for you to use. But as always, I build the prompts in 3 different areas. So you want to set your scene. You're an economic development analyst. What to execute, you tell the ChatGPT. So analyze the uploaded data set and create a clear executive summary for leadership. Focus on key trends, notable increases or decreases, risks or concerns, strategic opportunities, and 3 recommendations. Then you tell it how you want it to be executed. Keep it concise and non-technical. So what I have done, basically, I put together some sample data. I'll move my screen here. Sample data on Whoville, USA. This is the data. I put as many different sections in here that would make sense for a typical economic development analysis. So I've already, what you'll do is you'd have to upload that by clicking this plus, upload that Excel file, and then paste your prompt in here. I'm doing it live because this is a very quick and efficient one. Hopefully we don't have time lag like the videos. But what it's going to do, it's analyzing, it's repeating what I want, and then it's coming back with the executive summary. And so basically it took all of that data and came back with key trends to observe, notable increases and decreases, risk, concerns, strategic opportunities, and then came back with recommendations. Invest in workforce pipelines, target tech and distribution companies, strengthen infrastructure and planning. And so if you come back with that data, as I always talk about, you can stack it. You can say, hey, refine this data, or tell me more about this particular section. It'll go in and do a deeper dive for you. The other thing that I really want you to think about, these are the different use cases. Project pipeline sheets, if you're working with projects, you can keep it organized or put together summaries on all your projects. Industry employment spreadsheets, workforce status spreadsheets, site and building inventory spreadsheets, capital investment spreadsheets, just a few of them. A pro tip that you can use is you can upload multiple spreadsheets at once. This is what blew me away. I used our bank statements from last year, had over, I'm going to, Krista, how many entries did that thing have? Probably over 3,000 entries. And I used AI to analyze the entire year bank statements for category spending and unusual bank charges, anything that was occurring that I didn't know. And I had subscribed to several different services that helped save me hundreds of dollars by canceling those subscriptions that I wasn't aware of that were being spent. But basically, what you just accomplished in less than 10 minutes. It was much less work, greater impact, and maximizing efficiency through AI in your economic development positions. Enjoy. I hope you use it. And as always, give me any calls if you have any questions.